Hello, welcome back to Chao. We are going to make another exciting drink today. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We talk about everything milk tea, coffee, smoothies, and prep, and I publish videos regularly. So I hope you stay tuned and also click that subscribe button. For those of you who are a regular viewer, I have something special again today. It's another three-tone drink. This time it's a chocolate drink, one of my favorites. For this we are going to make 3 layers and we are going to use these ingredients that I have right here. The star of the show is the dark chocolate. Make sure you use unsweetened chocolate for this recipe. If you use sweetened chocolate, you will have to adjust the ingredients accordingly. So for this recipe, unsweetened chocolate, cocoa powder, or whatever you have available in your market or at home. That's one, that's our top layer. Our bottom layer will be blueberry puree. If you don't have blueberry, you can use strawberry, you can use blackberry, you can use mango, or you can use any flavor that you have available at home or in your market. So I'm using blueberry for this recipe. And of course, because this is a chocolate latte drink, we are going to use our fresh milk. If you don't have fresh milk, you can also use evaporated milk. And to make it sweeter, our sweetener, we are going to use sweetened condensed milk. So only these 4 ingredients, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, and of course we need water and ice. So let's start with our top layer, which is chocolate. For this, we are going to use 1 scoop of our chocolate. I'm actually using here tablespoon, and 1 scoop is 4 teaspoons, so I'm going to use 1 heaped tablespoon of my dark chocolate. Okay? Not level, but heaped. A little bit more than a tablespoon. So let's put it there in our measuring cup. And we are going to mix this with hot water. So I'll get hot water. We need about 4 ounces of hot water into the measuring cup. This recipe is for 16 ounces cups. Make sure your chocolate is well combined. You can either use the spoon, the whisk, or if you have an electric frother. This time I'm using a battery operated one. If you're using it for home, you can use battery operated, but these things are not very durable. So I would suggest that if you have a milk tea shop or a coffee shop, or you use it more regularly, you can use an electric one. So just for this, I'm going to use a battery operated one so I don't have to mess with power plugs and everything like that. So I'm going to just make sure it's well combined. So I'm using my spoon here just to make sure it doesn't splatter all over. It's still very, very hot. So there you go. Just a little bit to make sure it is well combined. That is what we are going to use for our topping. The top of our 3-layer drink. And then for the second layer, for the middle layer, I'm going to mix my latte. So that's the 2 ounces of fresh milk and 1 ounce of sweetened condensed milk. So this is our sweetener for this drink, or I will call it our latte mix, which is going to be the second layer in our drink. You don't need to froth this, because if you use the frother for this, it'll be so frothy and then it won't look very nice in the middle of your drink. Okay, so this is our second layer, and this is blueberry puree at the bottom of our cup. 3 different mixes: our puree, our latte mix, and our chocolate mix. So let's assemble our drink into our 16 ounces cup. So first I'm going to put my puree at the bottom. This one smells heavenly. It's gorgeous. Blueberry. I once did this using mulberry and it's so delicious. Well, I've also tried blueberry and it's equally delicious. So there you go. That's at the bottom of our cup. I'll put ice That's the first layer. At the bottom, give it a little bit of a stir so it goes up a little bit. And then we'll put the second layer of our ice. There you go. We'll put our milk slowly so that it doesn't mix with your bottom layer. And now for our top layer, we shoot the chocolate just to make sure. I'm going to give it another stir so that they're well blended before I pour it into my drink. So once again, you are going to try and pour this slowly so they don't blend with your second layer. Slowly. Patience, please. Fall asleep pouring this, but I want to see a beautiful three-tone blueberry chocolate. There you go. Blueberry chocolate latte. There's your blueberry at the bottom, your latte mix in the middle, and your chocolate on top. So there you have it, very simple recipe. It just takes a little bit of time to prepare it because we want the drink to look good and absolutely tempting. So if you put it up in your menu or you want your customers to Instagram your drink, this is the way to go. Okay, it takes a little bit of time, but again, patience. You need to be patient to do this. There. Moment of truth. Cheers. Wow, that is so delicious. I love the taste of the blueberry, and because this is a dark chocolate, this blend of chocolate is just phenomenal. So delicious. Don't take my word for it, give it a try. So delicious. Wow. Give this a try. You will be delighted, I'm sure. Serve this at home for your milk tea or coffee shop or just for yourself. If you have any questions, once again, do let me know. I would like to hear from you, and I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao for now.